Hey everybody, I'm Chris from VintageSwampCoolers.com. If you like vintage bullet swamp coolers, have I got the video for you. Today I'm going to show you how I made this bullet swamp cooler from a bunch of old parts. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to tell you how you can get your very own brand new vintage bullet swamp cooler. Hey everybody, the season's winding down. We still got a couple of swamp cooler orders to fill. We got a couple of swamp coolers that we're going to restore for stock over the winter. But I got one cool project I wanted to show you guys and bring you along with it. A customer actually sent us these parts of an old Siren off of an old police car or something like that. And he was wondering if we could turn this into a swamp cooler. And I knew the way the Deluxo is built, we can do all sorts of customization, so it should be pretty easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the body of a Deluxo and shrink it down, because this is actually a 6-inch diameter, and the diameter of most of these swamp coolers, including the Deluxo, is 7 inches. So we're going to have to take some of that circumference out of the body to make it fit these and get these parts fit into a working swamp cooler. So let's go ahead and do that now. First thing we'll do is measure the circumference with a measuring tape. This is a flat measuring tape, so it wraps real well. And the bigger circumference is about 22¼ and this one is about, we'll call it 18¾ So we have to take about 3½ inches out of the circumference of the swamp cooler to make it fit this. So let's get cutting.
Here I am modifying the kit by reducing it 3½ inches.
Hey everybody, I want to take a moment to thank our longest running sponsor, and that's Super Clean. If you watch my channel, you know I know a thing or two about filth. I've restored dozens and dozens of vehicles with dead mice, mouse nests, mold, disgustingness, and dozens of swamp coolers with dead mice, black mold. And the thing about these is they're part of an HVA system. And when you're cleaning an HVA system, you're going to be breathing all the air that's going through there. So you need a product that's really low fume and healthy to breathe. And that's why I reach for Super Clean. It's actually got biodegradable components and detergents. And that means that once you've cleaned the area and when you're cleaning it, the fumes coming off of it are healthy and not like anything super caustic. And it'll also work a lot better than those natural cleaners that have got citrus and aren't going to cut through the heavy layers of grease or disgustingness that you're probably going to be dealing with. That's why I always use Super Clean. And I also wanted to mention that now it comes in a foam. So if you're dealing with disgusting grease on vertical surfaces, this foam will actually cling to those surfaces good, and it'll soak in and really cut through the grease. So I wanted to thank Super Clean, and now let's get back to the video.
And here I am running the kit through a roller. And building the vent.
All right, so there it is, all popper fitted together and ready to go. We've got a set of brackets for it. Now, as far as functionality, we could pop a filter in a tray. This is an aspen pad, a wood fiber pad. We could slide in there, and that's would be one way to make it function. But this customer actually wants a full system with a reservoir with a cap on top and a filter across the intake. So on my next video, we're going to take care of that with a reservoir, a water pump, and a filter across the intake. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. All right, guys, there it is. Vintage bullet cooler made from recycled parts. Check out that awesome intake there. I think this worked out pretty well. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. If you like this and you're looking to get yourselves a bullet cooler of your own, head on over to VintageSwampCoolers.com and EcoFageFabrication.com, and you can get yourself one of these bullet coolers that we started selling. We have almost every other type of swamp cooler in stock except the bullet cooler for a long time, and we kept on getting requests, so we finally figured out a way to get these in stock. We've always had these Deluxos, rebuilt Thermadors, and brand new Thermadors in stock, but now we finally have bullet coolers. So if you're looking for one of those, head on over to vintageswampcoolers.com. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, check out some of these other cool swamp cooler videos down here, and I'll catch you guys next time.